Hello students, today we will learn sums based on probability mass function. State which of the following are not the probability mass function of a random variable. Give reasons for your answer. First one, the values of x are 0, 1, 2 and the values of probability are 0.4, 0.4, 0.2. Now for this probability distribution, we need to check whether this is probability mass function or not. Now whenever the question asks related to the probability mass function, first we will check whether values of all the probabilities are positive. Now if any one of the value of probability is negative, then clearly we will write that the given function does not represent the probability mass function. And if all the values of the probability are positive, then we will check whether addition of all the probability is equal to 1 or not. If it is 1, then it represents probability mass function, otherwise not. So here, since the values of all the probabilities are positive, we will check the next step, that is addition of all the probabilities. So summation of x going from 0 to 2 probability, that is addition of probability for x is equal to 0 plus probability for x is equal to 1 plus probability for x is equal to 2. Substituting all the values 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2, since addition is equal to 1 and therefore it represents the probability mass function, that is PMF of a random variable. Now second question, values of x are 0, -1, -2 and values of probability are 0.3, 0.4 and 0.3. Here also first we will check whether values of all the probabilities are positive or not. So here the values are positive. Even though these negative values are present, these are given for x and not for the probability. So values of probabilities are positive. Now moving towards the next step, that is addition of all the probabilities. So summation of x going from 0 to -2, that is addition of probability for x is equal to 0 plus probability for x is equal to -1 plus probability for x is equal to -2, that is 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.3. So addition is equal to 1 and therefore we can say that the given function represents the probability mass function, that is PMF of a random variable. Now next question, the probability distribution of x is as follows. Here the values of x and values for probabilities are given, but the values of probabilities are in the form of constant k and we need to find the value of k. Then probability when x is strictly less than 2, then probability for x is greater than or equal to 3 and probability when x is lies between 1 to 4 where 1 is included. Now here it is already given that the function is a probability distribution of x. That means the values of all the probabilities are positive along with the addition of all the probability is equal to 1, means it is already given that it is the probability mass function of random variable. So here we will add the values of all the probabilities. So probability for x is equal to 0 plus probability for x is equal to 1 plus probability for x is equal to 2 plus probability for x is equal to 3 plus probability for x is equal to 4 and that is equal to 1. Here we can write that addition of all the probability is equal to 1 because it is a probability distribution of random variable. That means it represents a probability mass function. So 0.1 substituting the values plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus k is equal to 1. Now here k plus 2k plus 2k plus k, addition of all this term is equal to 6k, that is equal to 1 minus this term, that is 0.1. So 6k is equal to 0.9. So value of k is equal to 0.9 upon 6. So k is equal to 0.15. So this is the value of constant k, that is 0.15. Now next, probability when x is strictly less than 2. Now since x is strictly less than 2, it includes the probability for x is equal to 0 and probability for x is equal to 1. We cannot consider probability for x is equal to 2 because 2 is not included here. So 0.1 plus k, substituting the value of k, that is 0.15. So 0.1 plus 0.15, that is equal to 0.25, and this is the required value. Now third, probability when x is greater than or equal to 3. So since it is greater than or equal to 3, so 3 is also included. So probability for x is equal to 3 plus probability for x is equal to 4. We cannot consider next value because here in the table the value of x is from 0 to 4 only. So substituting the values, we will get 2k plus k. So 2k plus 1k, that is 3k. Now substituting value of k as 0.15. So 3 into 0.15, that is equal to 0.45. Now next, probability of x lies between 1 to 4 where 1 is included. So here we will get probability for x is equal to 1 plus probability for x is equal to 2 plus probability for x is equal to 3. We will not consider probability for x is equal to 4 as 4 is excluded. So k plus 2k plus 2k. So total 5k. Substituting value of k as 0.15. So 5 into 0.15, that is 0.75. Now we consider next question. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. Values of x are given from 0 to 7, and for that corresponding values of probabilities are given in terms of k, and we need to determine the value of k, then probability when x is strictly less than 3 and probability when x is greater than 4. So here also, since it is already given that the function is a probability distribution of random variable, that means it represents a probability mass function. So all the values of probabilities are positive and the summation of all the probabilities is equal to 1. So here also we will add the values of all the probabilities and that we will consider as equal to 1. So 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. Now adding all the square terms, we will get 10k square. Now adding all the terms with k, that is 9k is equal to 1. Now shifting this 1 to this side, we will get a equation in terms of k, that is 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation in k. So we will split the middle term to find the roots. So here we require multiplication as minus 10 and addition as 9. So we will consider 10k minus 1k. So from first two terms, taking 10k common, we will get k plus 1. From next two terms, taking minus 1 common, we will get k plus 1. So since in both the bracket we are getting the same term, that is k plus 1, that we will write only once, and in one bracket we will write 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. So either 10k minus 1 is equal to 0 or k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 10k is equal to 1 or k is equal to minus 1. So k is equal to 1 upon 10 or k is equal to minus 1. Now here if we consider the value of k as minus 1 and if we substitute that values here to find the probabilities for the given values of x, then at many places we will get the negative values of probabilities, and therefore it will not be the probability mass function. So we cannot consider the value of k as -1. So the value k is equal to -1 is not possible. So now we have one option, that is k is equal to 1 upon 10. So the value of k is equal to 1 upon 10. Now probability for x is strictly less than 3. Here we will consider the values x is equal to 0, probability for x is equal to 1 and probability for x is equal to 2. We will not consider x is equal to 3 because 3 is not included. Substituting all the values, we will get 0 plus k plus 2k, and k plus 2k is equal to 3k. So substituting the value of k as 1 upon 10, we will get 3 into 1 upon 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Now we require one more value, that is probability for x is greater than 4. So here 4 is not included but greater than 4, so we will consider probability for x is equal to 5 plus probability for x is equal to 6 plus probability for x is equal to 7. So k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k. Adding all the square terms, we will get 10k square plus k. Substituting the value of k as 1 upon 10, here we will get 10 into 1 upon 10 the whole square plus 1 upon 10. So 10 into 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10, that is 2 upon 10. So we can consider this as 1 upon 5 by simplifying. Thank you, students.